Hi there, students. Unrequited, an adjective. All this comes from the verb to requite. Okay, unrequited. Normally we see this phrase in the collocation unrequited love. I love her passionately, but she doesn't love me. Unrequited love. Okay, so unrequited. It's not felt, the other person does not feel in the same way. The pain of unrequited love is driving me crazy. Okay, so the verb to requite, to give something in return for something given to you or something done to you, or to do in return something done to you. Now that can be both positive and negative. Okay, so to return a favor to someone, to reciprocate, if you like. I massaged her back and she requited. She massaged mine. Very often this word to requite is used in with the idea of to get revenge, to exact revenge, to retaliate. Yeah, so to make an appropriate return for wrongdoing. So I will requite every insult that he throws at me. Yeah, but you can also use it positively. I've been invited by them many times, and I need to find some way to requite all of the kindnesses that they have given me. Yeah. And then, well, she did not requite my love. She did not return. She did not reciprocate. So unrequited, not returned, particularly unrequited love. You could have an unrequited wrong. Yeah, somebody has wronged you and you haven't retaliated. You haven't got back at them. Yeah, but I think most commonly with feelings, it was I've felt very sad to discover that my feelings for her were unrequited. Yeah, my unrequited affection. Well, it was a very sad thing. But to requite, to do something in return, to make return for in a similar or an appropriate way. Yeah, to respond to something that somebody has done for you. To quote Shakespeare, if he love me to madness, I shall never requite him. I'm never going to love him in return or in the same way. So to requite, to make repayment for services rendered, for benefits given, but not in cash, in kind. Yeah, to repay in kind, uh, in the same way, in the same fashion, but not cash. Okay, so to revenge or to give back, to compensate, to redress a situation. Yeah, to make things better. Okay, so the prince requited his servant's loyalty by giving him a very special, honourable position within the household. Okay, so to requite, to return, usually figuratively, something that's been given to you, to recompense, to repay, but by an action, by doing something, by a gift. Yeah, there is no way I can requite his gift of a jet aeroplane. Okay, I can't repay such generosity. Yes. Well, also this idea of karma says that if we behave well to other people, our good behavior will be requited, not necessarily by the person we've helped or been good to, but by someone else. What goes around comes around. What you do will be requited. Yeah, maybe by someone else. Okay, and this is the idea. So let's see. Unrequited love, formal, very fairly formal, very literary. I think I'm going to give unrequited love a 6.5. You could use unrequited just about in a semi-formal conversation. I think better in a semi-formal or formal writing, and to requite in semi-formal or formal writing only. I don't think I would use it even in a semi-formal conversation. I think more informally, to pay back, to recompense, to give back, something like that. And then unrequited, not reciprocated, not felt in the same way. And then as to origin, well, okay, we've got this re bit going back, and then we've got the other bit quit, to requite, but it comes from quit. So, for example, think about this: he acquitted himself very well. He did. He behaved very well. He performed very well. So to perform back. And that's the idea of the origin. Okay, so you can write to me about all your experiences of unrequited love. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To requite, unrequited love.